Yes, now friends, we will start from the coating section. Doing coating, setting up coating is really very important. Here, Twinmotion has a very nice feature. I can show you how simple the interface is in this way, friends. Applying a coating to any model is very simple. You enter the material section on the left side, and select one of the coating types there. Let's say your model is in a metal coating type. For example, if it's a metal type, look, the model part has become like this. The part about using the type. From left to center. From center to right. What does this mean, friends? Look, I took the chrome, dropped it on this now, and the settings appeared on the right. It starts from the left, I throw it to the center, and the settings start on the right. Think of it as if you're making an M. This is how you will work. I took the chrome, dropped it on this, and looked here. Did you see? I looked to the right side. There are various settings on the right side. These settings vary according to the texture properties of the coating used. Like what? Now, if I actually want to make a dirty coating here, I need to push the part labeled Gringa forward on this metal for a dirty coating. That's enough. Let me show you that here. I selected the coating on the ground with the dropper. I moved on. I opened the urn a little more. Look, friends, it became a dirty coating. The lower part is related to adjusting the light on the coating. If you want the coating to have a slightly shinier surface, you can increase it. If you want it to be darker, you can make it darker. Where does this happen? It's ideal for enhancing the effect on interactive surfaces. So, these two actually work together. Because the more you increase the light, the more the amount of stain on it will diminish. Friends, that's why these are important things. When we come to the bottom, the size of the coating. That is, its rotation. The size at the bottom. Here you can adjust the size of the coating to 90, 180, 360 degrees with these 90 degrees and other degrees. Friends, in our settings related to these, when we import the model, we will see these in our outdoor model. The main topic intended to be explained here, friends, is selecting the coating textures from left to right towards the center, applying them to the object, and making adjustments on the right. You can adjust the object you want in this way. In the coating section, there are glass, concrete, and various different types of coatings, and let's do tone coating. I came to the library from here, typed box in the search section, pressed enter, and when I typed box, friends, look, my box appears here. I took a 1 meter box from here, and I'm enlarging it with the scale command. As you can see, I'm reducing this by pulling these from here. I will come to this part, how can we make a box after this lesson in the flow? After the lesson, look from here. The sun looks better on this side. I came here, went from the closing section to the concrete section by placing my desired cover here from here. I can make adjustments. Friends, it's very simple. It keeps dropping. It works cleanly. I held it from here and dropped it here. You can see that it's very simple. You can immediately go and adjust my cover to the desired size when you are 60. If you want, play with the scale. Or, if you want, adjust the light level on it, make it appear dirty, or rotate it with the rotation. Friends, this is the process. If you want to change the position of the texture, there is a detailed section here. In Twinmotion, these small ticks, small arrows, indicate that there are detailed settings underneath. Friends, look when you press it. Stretch, extend, stretch in the Y direction or up, offset, lateral move. You can also perform operations like moving in the Y direction. So, if you want this texture, this line to come here, you can adjust it like this. As you can see, friends, this line has come here. Of course, it looks a bit large in size. You can scale it down again to make it smaller, or enlarge it further. This is the process. You can use all the textures and coatings here by applying them. Friends, we have many coatings in the coating section. These coatings actually allow us to engage in interactive works. There are really beautiful textures available, friends. I want to say something. Here, there is a render engine. And to use this engine, I mentioned it in previous lessons. I think I mentioned it in the first lesson. You need to use the menu, the library menu very well. Where and how is it used? When you know this, you will produce excellent work. This also requires time. So, in your free time, sit down and use the textures here to see what textures are available, what there is. Where are these trees? Where is the light? Where are the objects? Where are the interior models? Where are the exterior models? By tinkering around. You need to delve into the depths of the program. Friends, these are important topics. You even brought the models you liked here. Later, for example, by right-clicking and selecting Add to User Library, add it from the section I showed at the very beginning to here, and then avoid having to search for it. but you might find it's a very nice model. You might say, I can use this. Let it stay in the library. You can use it again by transferring it here.